Hello and Namaste. Once again, I'm here with a pick a card reading. Now, today in this video, we are going to see how the November month looks like with regard to our love life. Everyone wants to know how to initiate in our love life, what may happen, and how to go ahead in order to make our love life in a proper way, because it's a backbone of our life. So let's see what is going to happen in the month of November love life. So here we are having three colors, blue, purple and pink. You can select any one of the color to have the reading. Timestamp it is given. Keep in mind it is a general reading, so in case if it is not resonating with you, you can check the other color details also, and you can see how it is going to with your life, and what are the best thing you can take out from this and you can implement in your life in order to make your love life great. So let's see what is coming in the month of November. I'll start with the blue first. So people who have selected blue, for them, let's see what message is coming. What our tarot wants to give, this Rider-Waite traditional deck I'm using. This is the energy of the month, the sun, very positive energy. You can see the blue color and lot of, you had selected blue color and lot of yellow color is there, lot of grace is there, lot of brightness is there. So I think the energy of the month, it is like you have to concentrate on the brighter side. Kids could be a area of attention. Somewhere I think your child care, it is very important, and your inner child is very important. So make sure you are behaving like a child and you are enjoying each and every moment of the month. So this is the energy of the month. It has come for you, people who have selected blue. Let's see what is the next card, and which is the this is the bottom card, Two of Wands. Lot of opportunities I am seeing, lot of good things I am seeing. Judgment, Page of Swords, and something very blackish has come, Ten of Swords. So here let's see what is the relationship messages it has come for us. Religious factors, express your love. This is trust and faith, and very soon. Somewhere I feel when this religious factor has come, I feel this judgment, it is matching with that energy completely. Here I feel people who have selected blue, for you, the in love life, something you need to go through, something you need to review, wherever you are stuck, something if it is not working, if any area of your life, if you are feeling stuck, you are feeling things are not working and simply you are spoiling your mood, please end that negativity, because it is not going to help you out. This is talking about a ending. Here Page of Swords has come, it is talking about a communication. Please initiate the communication. Doesn't matter you are not mature enough, if you are not initiating, so could be something, if something is going to work out, it will also go to end. But somewhere I feel the overall energy when I see, I feel you have to do something different. Here this religious factor has come for you. Here it is talking about just come out from the regular kind of practice, the regular rules and all. Like it is said, you cannot initiate being a girl, or might be being a boy, better you should not initiate, let the green signal come from the other side, something like that. Or being a husband or being a wife, you shouldn't initiate, just leave that thing. This is what the judgment it is talking about. Leave that thought, you can initiate. Sometimes it is good to behave like an immature child and be ready to face the situation. Until unless you will not go and stand in front, you are not going to feel what kind of air quality is, what kind of this, if any storm is coming, how it is coming, which direction it is coming. So you should go in the field, then only you are going to realize. Other, what are the other relationship messages it has come, we will just see. Express your love. Here the card clearly it is talking about you have to leave this, don't follow the others, don't simply follow any rules or something. Who made this rule, you don't know. Review that. If something you feel it is not necessary to follow and it is not going to help in your love life, just leave that and behave like a child. Express your love, come in the front, express your love. There is no harm. Somewhere I think now I feel this 10 of swords, it is talking about everything it is in your mind, leave it, come out. You are having good stuff around you. The bottom card, as I said, 2 of wands, very positive card. So love life, I think some good opportunities are coming, some good signal you are going to see, and as if you are standing and you are seeing, you are trying to grab the opportunity. So these 2 cards, it is going very well all together. You are waiting and then you are going to take action. So this is somewhere it is an action card also, I would say. Action in your mind. And this card, 10 of swords, if by trying everything you are thinking things are not working, so it is for your highest and best. If things are ready to get end, let it get end and start your new journey. Until and unless this painful time will not end, you cannot start your another journey. There is the yellow clouds are coming, so it is a time of sunrise. So this is a darkness. So whatever, if any hard thing it is happening in your life, you are unable to communicate, I think that hard time going to get end and you are going to have a better clarity, I think. So wait for the sunrise and go for that, whatever you are planning to do. Here the trust and faith card has come. You should be having trust and faith in this situation and on the people also, people who are connected with you, people whom you love and people who love you. Trust and faith is very very important. Be faithful, be trustful, I would say. Very soon you will see what it is coming for you. So it is something like it is a time to reunite. Here you can see time to reunite very soon. So here the rat is there, very very like childish, they used to run here and there, they are quite open and they are ready to play. Here also in the sun card we got a child. So please take care of your inner child. Somewhere you need to come out and you need to express. Doesn't matter the other side of person is thinking, you are behaving like a child, doesn't matter. It is your relationship, it is your love life, and you have to come out and you have to shine like this. You have to show your presence like this so that no one should skip, everyone can notice easily. So this is the sun card. Clearly it is talking about if kid is a issue in your love life, somewhere you people are not getting time just because of kid. You can just look for the other option. Could be you can just go somewhere where the people are ready to help you, and just you can leave your child for some time and you can go out and spend time, because like this you cannot simply manage your love life. Somewhere you are having your other need also and you are trying to kill that need. Here the 10 of swords, it is talking about that also. You are in your mind, you are killing those thoughts and you are not enjoying your life. So if you are willing to meet to your life partner, or if any somewhere I feel the lack of intimacy also it is there in the love life, so that you need to work out, I guess. Everything it is there in the mind and you are simply cribbing on the situation, things you are not getting. I think you have to come out like this child and you have to express. Doesn't matter the other person is thinking you are immature, just go ahead and just enjoy this time. So cards are very positive. Somewhere it is only your mind you are stuck. I don't feel something major problem it is happening. And the relationship cards also, it came very positive. You need to express your love. You have to stand in front and you have to express your love. Forget about the traditional thing. Being a girl, I cannot express my physical need, or I cannot express my emotional feelings. Or being a boy, let the other person should initiate. No, you shouldn't think like that. Just go ahead, review those thoughts, find out the correct time and go for that. Because simply you cannot kill your relationship in your mind. Once your mind will be zero, it will be very difficult in further journey. So overall, when I'll see all the cards, it is talking about very soon the good time is coming, a very perfect time you are going to feel. Things are going to improve. Just come out from the routine time. Just take out time for yourself. Come out, spend time outside, arrange something. You have to check out any option is there, how you can go out with your life partner, or how you can go out with your the dear one with whom you wanted to spend time. Because I think the spending time outside, the alone time, you people are missing. And somewhere the intimacy part, it is creating a big deal, which is creating like this somewhere it may it shouldn't happen, I wish, but it is trying to make your relationship go to end. Because that interesting and the attachment part, it is missing in the life, and which is creating a lot of drama in this life, your love life especially. So this is the very backbone of a relationship, I would say. Or whatever it is there in your mind, you can express to your girlfriend, boyfriend, your husband, wife, whomsoever it is. Please express. Expression is very very important. Until unless you will not express, and you are not having a faith and trust on the person, on the situation, how you are going to get reunite, how the other person is going to accept you. Here you can see the rat. It so looks very cute, and same kind of cuteness this rat is going to bring in your life. Now we'll see the what the angel message is coming for the people who have selected blue color. So 1 and 2, let's find out what message is coming. See only love. See again the love, it has come. Don't give opportunity to create a clutter in your mind. That's only a mind creation. And assertiveness, again very positive card. Go ahead, whatever you wanted to go out, spend time outside, spend time in nature, and be positive, be faithful. You should be having trust in the situation and your life partner, and go and express your love. Even though the other side of the person, they are not responding in a very positive way, still you stick to your thoughts, you stick to your emotions, and keep on expressing. Like child, they are keep on trying. The same way you keep on trying, and you will see the more passionate and more love, once it will be there inside you, the other side of the person also going to understand. Because here you are having the opportunity, there is a little time, there is a little effort is required, and then from the other side also you are going to have the a good opportunity. People who are single, I think for them it is a good time to find out their life partner. I think November many singles are going to mingle with someone, because they are already ready. It seems to me they are already ready. They are keep on exploring, and like done, they will get a opportunity, and they will be land up on their perfect life partner. Don't concentrate on this negative side. It is a part of life. If something is not working in your favor, it's always better to let go. If any past thing is there, better to let go, because those things are coming in your present life and they may create a problem for you. So end one cycle and start another cycle. It is always better for a healthy relationship. But otherwise, overall, it seems to be a very positive reading. A lot of good news I feel in your love life. If you'll initiate, I think a lot of satisfaction you are going to feel in your love life. You will see later on what you are going to get end and what you are planning to end. I think this relationship will work out. So reunion, it is showing, forget about whatever has happened. Further, you can create a beautiful environment for your life. And if people are planning for a kid or something, it is a wonderful time, very I would say very fertile time for you. Kiddish nature, the kid is ready to come in your family. So that way the family planning also, it is going to be great. So be positive for your love life. Lot of good things it is approaching. And I think November you are going to enjoy this blue color, people. So all the very best to everyone. Let's move to the another color, the purple. Welcome to the people who have selected purple color. Let's see what the relationship message it is coming for you. And then we will see through the tarot card and angel card also we are going to pull. Let's see what is the message for you, relationship message. Express your love once again. Trust and faith once again. Very soon once again. And codependency. So this is the 4 card has come. We will add later on. Now we'll see what our tarot cards is showing right now. All right. Energy of the month, 10 of Swords. We will keep it here. What are the other cards? Let's see which are the other cards. Bottom of the card, the Chariot, Lovers, Page of Pentacles, the Empress, and the 6 of Swords. All right, so purple, for you the energy of the month has come 10 of Swords. Here the 10 of Swords, it is clearly talking about please do not allow your past to enter in your present life. It may create a problem in your present love life, or for some people I feel your past life, past relationship, it is going to get end. But the good news is once you will let go your past this November, it is going to get you a new opportunity, a new relationship. It is coming for you. It is coming from a very young energy, definitely a very refreshing. You are going to like this relationship, and it is going to mature also. Lot of fertility, a lot of goodness I am seeing, not lot of nurturing quality I am seeing in this relationship. And your this present relationship, whatever you are going to get, if it is a reunion or it is a new, it is moving towards a perfection. It is moving towards a good situation. Because I feel something might have happened when I saw this 10 of Swords. I feel something painful has happened, and you have to leave this thing and you have to come out from that situation. Just leave your past baggage, go ahead. This is waiting for you. This is new relationship, a wonderful relationship. It is waiting for you. And this relationship, it is not only a relationship, it will bring a financial stability also for you, I guess, and it will bring a lot of nurturing atmosphere, the situation for you. So I think you are going to grow once you will just allow this thing, this negative thing to out of your life. So I think you are ready to move on. It is a moving on energy, something you are leaving and you are going towards a new thing. Let's confirm what is the bottom card it is talking. So bottom card we got here, the Chariot. I'll show you. Chariot again, it is talking about a movement. So you are leaving one thing and you are going towards a new thing. Some people, I think, in their love life, something new, vehicle kind of, or some movement, some traveling, something it is involved, because this both two are the traveling card, it came together. That also going to improve your love life. If any problems are happening in your love life presently, this will be clarified when you'll go out and when you are spending time in nature. So I think for some people, you are going for a short vacation or something, where all this negativity, all this conflict, whatever it was happening in the mind, you are going to resolve, and you are going to understand your relationship very well, and it is going to create a good, I will say, a very very satisfied relationship. Some people, I feel, if they are not planning for the family, be careful, take proper protection, because it's a pure nurturing and fertile energy is coming, so there is a chances you may conceive. So if you are not planning, take proper precautions, because here the cards are clearly, it is talking about two people will meet, very mature, very fertile energy it is there, and the new kid may come. So if you are not planning, then caution it is required. Otherwise, the life is going to be great for the purple, I guess. Now we'll see what this relationship messages has come, and we will see one by one, and we'll add in our relationship. So first it has come, express your love. Here for you the message has come, try to learn the art of expressing your love, because when a lot of problems are happening here in Ten of Swords, you can see a lot of blackness it is there. This Chariot, it is showing some leaving out or leaving, going kind of separation kind of energy. Once it is coming, major shift it is happening, and you are trying to move out, or you are thinking to move, a lot of tension it is happening in your mind. You should understand to expression of love is very very important. You have to open your mouth, you have to spell out about your feelings, your emotions to the others. Again, the trust and faith it has come. Yes, you should be having trust and faith on the situation and on the people. And the most important, you should be having trust and faith on yourself. You are capable enough to do that. So your trust and faith on yourself, it is very very important. And very soon you will come to a conclusion, could be some clarity will come. Here the rat, it is trying to bring a clarity in your life, some reunion time. As I said, here someone can go, you will get your time, your personal time, and you are going to enjoy this lover. This is what it is trying to say. When the reunion will come, when you both of you are having free from any responsibilities, free from any attachment. Here what I mean to say, free from responsibility means nothing is there in your mind, you had shared everything with each other, and now you people are free, and now you people are ready to meet with each other emotionally, physically, every area of your life I am trying to mention here. Here Venus is ready to make you people together. Venus is trying to help you guys to be together, create love, create partnership, create equality, create balance in your life. When we are talking about love life, so we will talk only about love, because love life also, it is a kind of partnership, and both the sides should be equal. So the diplomacy or the duality, it is very very important. Don't try to cheat anyone, because here that card also, that energy also, it is giving me. So don't try to cheat anyone, otherwise it will, once it will come in a light, the other side of the person may feel very much hurt, and you are going to feel the pain of that also. People who are having stuck energy in their love life, it is a fresh start, go for that, express your love, be faithful, trust should be there. Very soon you will see a positive result. Here also time, it here also card, it is showing time to reunite. Yes, it is a good time, you can initiate, and you can mingle with your life partner. You are, I think, planning to go out, some vacation it is there, you will get sufficient time with the nature to connect with your life partner. And as I already said, people who are not planning for a family, so little caution it is required, because here the chances are, seems to be, for me it seems to be, it is going to be quite intimating, and I think you people are going to enjoy your holidays or the whole month, I guess. So very very positive, and very romantic kind of month, I feel. Lot of intimacy I'm seeing, lot of changes are coming. You are ready to transform your life. Whatever has happened in the past, you are ready to let go, and you are this welcoming the new life. Here you can see the energy. Now the fourth message, the relationship message, here we are having codependency. I think there is some addiction which is creating a problem in your love life. Something is there is some hitch, some glitch is there in your love life. Somewhere you are depending, you are using the some other thing. I think you are using something else also. You are dependent on something which is helping you to create happiness in your relationship. But I feel this dependency you need to remove. Some addicting part, I feel it is hampering your life. So what I would say, you need to sit and talk on the situation, then only your love life is going to improve. Because simply when you'll keep in your mind, a lot of thinking card has come here, we can see here a lot of blackness. If you'll think only, the solution is not going to come out. So you have to pay attention on that. You have to sit, you have to talk. Doesn't matter the it will become a heated argument, but it can be improved also. Things need to be discuss, express yourself, express your emotions, and initiate, because your initiation is very very important. So this is the card. I now will check the angel message, what it is coming for you. Purple, I think a lot of goodness has come. Only I think you need to come forward here again, and don't get scared what you are going to lose. When you talk clearly, I think the situation will improve. And don't be dependent on others, like someone third person will come and they will try to resolve your issues. No. Let's see what message has come. So reward yourself here. As I said, you have to have faith and trust on yourself. We got the trust card. Here it is reward yourself. You have to give appreciation to yourself, appreciate yourself. And the child has come. So I think it is the people who have selected purple, very there is a strong chances of conceiving the child. It's a major issue. Could be just because of child you will get opportunity to go out, and child could be a reason to get resolved all these issues, and the things will be improved. If any addiction it is creating a problem in your relationship, I think with the help of child that can be resolved. The child is going to become a, I think, savior for you. But here this reward yourself, definitely you have to pay attention. First you should love yourself, first you should appreciate your efforts, first you should enjoy your own time, then only you will understand how to enjoy your time with others. So don't make yourself alone. Spend your loneliness also, and try to figure out where you wanted to go. Until unless you are not very sure where you wanted to go, you will feel dull and you will feel sad only. So decide where you wanted to go, just go. Once you will start your journey, you will see how tremendous changes are coming in your life, and how nicely you are going to manage your time. And this month, this November month, it will go I think wonderfully. You are going to manage this month. Changes are coming. Could be for some people, I think some changes in location, some change in job also it is happening, and new situation it is coming. One thing it is going to get end, one phase, and next location, next place where you are going, it will bring a fresh energy. But something, some addiction part, definitely you have to see. It could be a loneliness also, dependency, dependency. So remove that part, loneliness also, and feel free to mingle with people, feel free to connect with nature, feel free to have the balance in the partnership, have the balance in a family, and have the balance with the child also, because child also needs your attention and priority. So this is also an area you have to see. So this is the love reading for the people who have selected purple. And now we'll move to the pink color. Let's come to the pink who have selected pink. For you, first I'm just pulling the relationship cards. What messages are waiting for you? I think November for everyone, it is going to be great. Little care is required, but it is going to be quite romantic month for everyone. So let's see what cards are willing to come here for you. Codependency for you also has come. The flirting has come. Deception has come, and express your love has come. This, I think, the express of your love, every color it is coming. I think this is the main problem, I think, with the people. We are not expressing our love, we are not expressing our emotions to the our partner. So we are facing the issues in our life, and we are feeling like we are decepted. We are feeling like our partner is not loyal with us. Such kind of energy I'm getting. And when this codependency it has come again, I think we are taking the help of some other thing. Could be the chatting with other person or something like that. We are taking the help of the other thing in order to make our love life a bit presentable, I guess. So let's see what the tarot card it is talking about for pink. Let's see what message is coming. How the November it look like for you, pink. Energy of the month, Two of Swords. When the deception has come, I was thinking what it is coming. And let's see what are the other messages. And bottom of the card, Five of Cups. This seems to be little sad, but let's find out. Eight of Wands, Hermit, Ten of Wands, King of Pentacles. One more card I would like to pull for the King of Pentacles. Four of Wands. All right, let's see. Okay, so pink people who have selected pink, I think something, this energy of the month, when I'll see Two of Swords, I think you are just juggling between two or more. You are stuck in two. You are having one, and you are, I think, dating or chatting or connected with someone else. So here we can see we got the flirting, we got the deception, and we got the codependency. So here I think the present love life could be, it is not going the way you want. Could be your life partner is too much practical. That's the reason it has diverted your attention, and you started seeing the other option. This is the one energy I am getting from the cards after seeing. For the pink people, I think the things are not that good in the month of November. But again, when we see the King of Pentacles, though the person is very practical, person is not very expressive here, I think this is the reason express your love also has come again. So either of you, I think you people are not expressing, you people are too practical, I guess. Either you or your partner too practical. One thing has to be seen properly and then go ahead, that kind of person. And this is the family card, a very good partnership card, very good balance card. But somewhere I feel this, your love life, it is affected by the somewhat it is affected by a career. Could be a lot of traveling of your life partner, or could be your traveling, too much traveling, going here and there, the different places. This is, I think, creating a obstacle, or somewhere I would say a kind of stagnation kind of energy I am just getting here. Things are not very romantic. Things are not happening the way you want in your relationship. The thing which you had expected, somewhere the house is the concern, the property is the concern, and the career is the concern. I think these two, it is coming in between in your love life. Also for some people I feel you are looking for someone, you are looking here, pink people, you are looking for someone here. Hermit, it is showing you are just trying to figure out when this, it should come very fast. You are looking for something, you are feeling very difficult, and the person whomsoever you are looking for, I think the person seems to be, it is having a lot of money, or he's holding a lot of money, he's not willing to leave money. Somewhere this finances, I feel the money, and the career, basically this financial things, it is creating a problem in the love life. And for some people, this is the finances which is the reason of this relationship. So this relationship based on the finances and the physical show off, I think. Whatever you had seen from the outside, you got attracted and you got trapped in this, and now you are thinking how to come out. This is also energy, it is coming. Bottom card of the deck, it is Five of Cups, relationship, when the deception card has come. So this is also showing someone is flirting and someone is cheating on you. It's not exactly cheating, but someone, I think either of your life partner may found out the cheating. This is also a caution for you, people who have selected pink. So be careful, don't do anything, any hasty decision, or don't be like very much involved in chatting, and somewhere I feel you should not use this social media and all too much. I think the person will get to know where you are heading. So this also a kind of energy I am getting. So for the pink people, the month seems to be slow. It may be little troubling. It may come up with some changes. You are not able to pay attention to your love life. You are looking, I think, satisfaction from outside. Here when the options has come and person is just trying to figure out, I feel you are looking for the satisfaction outside. But I think you, if you will be at home, that same satisfaction you are going to get it from your home also, from your family also. You are expressing your love outside, which is not correct, which will be known as deception and flirt. And you are just, you had created a addiction kind of thing, I think. This may create a problem in your life. You are already addicted to the third person here. Somewhere I am clearly getting a third person is involved, who is taking your whole attention. You must be thinking a lot of expectation is there from this third person. You planned so many things, I think, in the past, and you got addicted to this person. Here the whole thing, it is talking about a social media also, it is talking about a chatting also, lot of things. So be careful while chatting, your social media messages, something should not come out and your family people should not know. It shouldn't create a problem in your love life. This caution, I don't know why I am getting again and again. Now we'll see what is the angel message for you, and then we will conclude, we will have the more clarity. Go for it. Life purpose. So here the two angel message, it is showing go for it. Okay, so go for it. If you had decided something, you have to go for that decision. But here when it is coming your deception and the flirt part, it is going to create a little problem for you, definitely. So here the cards clearly, it is talking about don't run here and there, don't look for the other option. Here the option simply, it is creating a problem for you. You are not able to see the goodness. Lot of systematic changes are coming in your life, lot of good changes it is coming in your life. You are not able to see the changes, you are struggling with the same thing, you are not enjoying. So do enjoy. And when you will spend here the time, if you are confused, should I go for the third person or should I just stay in my house? So this is the card it is showing, please go for it. Don't create clutter in your life, though it seems to be a stagnant energy in your family. in your love life. You are thinking this is not giving the stability, the passion which you are looking from your partner. I think it will come. Just keep trying, express yourself, things will change. Do try, go for this option. Let's see what is the another card. Another card is life purpose. See, take care of your life purpose here. This is only your life purpose. You are simply wondering here and there, you are getting confused between the options here that you are not supposed to do. Just see what is right and what is wrong. If you are flirting, if you are hiding something, if you are creating such kind of situation in the relationship, and if you are thinking the other person is creating such situation, means this is not correct. Somewhere this person feels to be the person is feeling hurt, the person is feeling like he got the deception. Someone has was doing flirting since long, and now they just he or she left him or her alone, and the person now seems to be very sad. But he or she, whoever it is, they also left their own relationship. They were also paying attention to this wrong relationship. So this is going to happen. So I would say, if you are this person, please go back to your own relationship. This is what we got it. This is only your life purpose. So make sure what you are doing, because by doing things, you are creating your karma, you are creating your book, you are creating your life purpose. And by writing something wrong, it may not take you to the wrong way, the wrong destination. So make sure what is your life purpose, what is good as per the system, as per the society where you are staying, what is good, what is bad, that you need to follow. So this is the message for you. And if someone else has done something like this for with you, so that also, it's like your addiction was these people, your addiction was this situation which you thought this is going to be a permanent, but it is not. It is only a addiction, and you are trying to hide the things also, means it was not a legal. So since you had followed the wrong way, so this is the reason. When the time has come, when this relationship, when this situation felt okay, our time is over, we got whatever we wanted from this person, they just changed their way and they left. But you are having your own thing also, your own family also, everything, it is waiting for you. Just turn back and just pick up. This is your responsibility. So here the Four of Wands, I will say, it is talking about a responsibility also. Your house is your responsibility, your person is your responsibility. Simply you cannot run behind the other person, simply you cannot look for the other options. Now I'll come to the people who are single. I think singles, they are going to get a relationship. Yes, they must be in a relationship since long. They might be flirting with someone, and something sad they are going to get to know. But I will say, just go back and just check out this moon also, that is just emphasizing the same thing. I think you had selected the wrong person. So, but don't worry, things will change very fast. You need to remember what has happened in the past, and future, it seems to be little difficult, but later on, finally, you will land up to the stability. So once you were involved in a flirting, so definitely the other side of the person also must be involved in the flirting only. So you can't take it very serious. But if you feel the situation is better, be clear, express yourself. Clarity, it is very required here. When I see the Two of Wands, clarity is required. You select one and go for that. I think that is going to work out. This is what this go for it card has come. Don't only sit and think, go for that. If you are not very sure either of two or either of many options, which one you should opt, you are not knowing, simply select one and go for that. It is going to work out, because whatever you are getting, whatever you are facing in this life, that's your life purpose. You are here for that reason only. So don't concentrate, don't pay attention to the negativity. Here, people who have selected, I think, pink, I think you need to create lot of intimacy in your present relationship. somewhere that is missing, somewhere that energies are distracted, and this is the area I feel it is creating a major issue. Might be the one person, one partner seems to be very practical, seems to be, the person is not at all expressive, I think, and you are thinking the person should express, and here the express your love has card has come. Forget about if this person is not expressing, please you express your love, you try to come near to this person, and your life will be like this, the celebration. So I think the people who have selected pink also, for them the little care it is required. If you are flirting with someone, stop there itself, because it may come into light and your personal relationship would be in trouble. So that area you need to take care, just be away from the social media, it is going to create a little hassle for you. And I would say, please, whomsoever you are dating with, just express your true love, don't flirt, don't be addicted of the wrong thing, and express yourself very clearly what you want, your romantic gesture the other person needs to know, then only that person will also initiate. So initiate your relationship, it is going to be balanced, and again you can stabilize your relationship. There is no harm, everyone can do the mistake, doesn't matter deception has come, doesn't matter flirting has come, doesn't matter codependency addiction has come, everyone makes mistake. But if you are ready to work on your mistakes, I think this is your life purpose, you are learning something and you are trying to create a stability, it is going to be a good decision. Stop that thing the same time, and little troubling it seems to be, but finally you will be able to create a stability in your love life. Your love life seems to be quite by end of the month, I think you are going to celebrate your love life nicely. Some function you can attend, you can go on the date with this person, just go and ask, this person will take you for a date, you people are going to enjoy. So don't concentrate what you lost, don't pay attention to the negativity, pay attention what you have left out, and these two, it is more than enough, they are more than enough as compared to these three cups. And start enjoying, you will have the stability, you will have the happiness. In some relationship, I feel when I saw the moon, I feel for some people I feel there is some addiction when I'm talking about here. The lot of cups I saw, a lot of water energy I'm seeing here, I feel it is related to something kind of drinking the liquor, the I would say some bad habits it is talking about. So that is also creating a problem in this love life. So that also you people can sit and talk on that, and slowly the situation can be changed and situation can be improved. So this is the love life. If you like the reading, like and subscribe my channel, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because some more love readings are coming and I think you are going to have fun. So all the three colors, do enjoy. And one, the basic message has come, express your love. I think this is missing from the couple's life. We are not expressing, we are thinking the other side of the person should express. That habit I think we need to change now. So this is the message. Do enjoy your November month, everyone. Work on your stability and keep expressing your love. Bye bye, take care.